How to remove vocals from any song to make a karaoke track. Go to your Apple App Store if you are using an Apple device or the Google Play Store for Android users and search for Moises and download the app. Once you have downloaded the app, click to open and upload the file you would like to remove the vocals from. You will need to wait 1 or 2 minutes for the file to process and load onto the app. Once that is completed, you can now isolate the vocals from the musical track by shifting the vocal bar at the top to the extreme left.
I think I deserve a spot, and I've been living life like a dream, like it's
Click on the navigation menu on the extreme top right, click Export, Save to Device, Separated Tracks. And that is how you remove vocals from any song to make a karaoke track. Please subscribe for more videos like this.